So, you know, we're just chilling out, hanging out in Canada and stuff in Batch. And all of a sudden, our buddy decides to send it. So dope. Trying to keep up with this new way of vlogging, kind of continuing vlogging as I'm going. Today I am going to go see my niece and my sister. I'm going to go hang out with them for a little bit, and that should be a lot of fun. I haven't seen them for a while. My niece is roughly 1 year old, so pretty excited. She's getting nice and big. Yesterday was dope. Flew into Vernon, hitched a ride in the 206.
Your fucking face was priceless.
Flew over to Vernon, got 4 jumps in, which were awesome.
If you ever need a helper, hey, you should know that I'll be there day and night. Nobody else can love you better. I'm here just to treat you right.
There's a person you can
Oh, fuck yeah, what? No way! Stayed for some fire twirling and then some drinks after, flew back, and it was awesome. So it was really, really cool. So, just finished at the dentist, and it was just a cleaning, but man, oh man, do I ever hate the dentist. Like when they're all up in your mouth, and they're grinding and stuff, and oh, it just makes me crazy. Oh yeah, also I got a haircut, so that's the thing. On to the next adventure. Hey, you guys need to come check out my buddy's tent. It's so good. It's just so good.
Sleeping somewhere around here?
Dude, sleep under that truck. Dude, that's the perfect drunk tent. You just like hop in there. It actually is though.
I like it.
Are you doing a video?
Yeah.
Hold on, hold my beer. Just sleep under that motorcycle cover. Just put that over top of you.
You're my dream, but I just wanna.
Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself.
But I just wanna.
Deep inside I knew from the start, you my bunny, I'm your Clark. From now to eternity I give you all my heart. We are meant to be, it's clear to see. My love is bigger than I thought. I got everything I want when I hold you with my arms. Now this don't matter, my love and my pleasure, the key to my treasure. Whatever's the weather, day up and out with you till I die. How many times for you I'ma try? Want you to notice the one and I know this perfect soulmate. I wanna show it my best friend. She saved my life, my happy and in hard times.
It's way deeper than I thought it was.
So you know turns out they're not cool?
Now you kind of go into like a track. So we are currently on a wind hold. And I know I missed last week's video, but I'm kind of at the point where I'm just like, it's okay. If I feel rushed, I feel like the videos aren't super good. And yeah, so I'm just kind of hanging out, having fun with it. And we'll see kind of where it goes. By the way, these things don't inflate as easily as they say they do.